Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to create restaurant brochure in Microsoft Word. So open Microsoft Word, then here click on new, and here you will see some templates. Select here business and search restaurant brochure. Just select it. Your restaurant, food or hospitality business with a premium trifold restaurant brochure template. Click on create. Now here you will see this ready design. Customize and make changes as your requirement. Put a quote here to highlight this issue of your newsletter. Headline title here. Here are some paragraphs. Address, your restaurant name. You can put your logo here. Title goes here. Dishes, price, some special dishes. You can describe the dish here. So easy and just simple way to make changes. Just double click on it, change image, design, layout, and all things you can customize as your choice. If you need any help, so comment, I will answer you. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.